What's up, guys? It's Toby Rosario, and in today's video what we're going to talk about is the different kind of list that you guys can target. These are the ones I've come up with. Comment below if there's something I missed or some other type of list that you guys target. But these are usually the main ones. Let me make this a little bit bigger. So let's a pretty basic broad list is the absentee list, high equity. Then there's a vacant list, tax default. It's just you're delinquent on your taxes. Pre-foreclosure, code violations, inherited, probate, divorce, and then evictions. And let me know if there's another list that I forgot or a list that you guys like to target. And comment below in the comments and let me know which lists those are. But these are the main ones from my experience. So you can get a list source. You can get an absentee list from list source, high equity. And there's videos on my channel on how you can pull a high equity list from list source. And then also you can pull pre-foreclosures in this list source as well, or you can get that from the county. All right, and then Rebo Gateway. So this really, Rebo Gateway, it really comes down to your state and the county. Well, usually your state and what products and services they offer. But Rebo Gateway, they do absentee, they do tax default, they do some other lists. I just can't think of them off the top of my head. Empty nesters, like I said, tax defaults, things like that. So it really comes down to this. I've used this company before. It comes down to your state and see what products are available in that state. And then for probates, there's successors data. You can get some probates lead. I've used this company before. It's about $100 a month. It's really good because they let's just go down. So they provide you 30 zip codes. You start with about 1,000 property records. It gets updated twice a month, and then also an additional 200 records every month. And then they remove the sold properties once a month from your data. And there's no setup fee or contract or anything like that. You can cancel whenever you like. So this is a good place to get your probate list from. Obviously, the best place to get it is from the county, directly from the county, because it's freshest. But if you're able to get it, if you want it quicker and you're willing to pay, you can get it here. I've used this company before, so it's a good place to get your list. And then U.S. Lead List. It's a place where you can get your inherited properties. This is this company. They only provide a certain amount of people per county, so you would have to check and see if that county is available to you, so they can provide you that list. This is inherited list, so this is a place you can get it. I know there's some other places you can get a list. I just can't think of them off the top of my head, and these are the ones that I've used. So comment below and let me know other platforms you guys use to pull lists. But these are the main ones that I've used and that pretty much everybody else uses. So that's List Source, Rebo Gateway. I know there's Property Radar, and then this is for probates, and then U.S. Lead List. And obviously the best lists are directly from the county. So these might be a little, they're not as fresh as the list from the county. So you can pull that list or you can get most of those lists from the county if you wanted the freshest data. So you can get a tax default list from the county, pre-foreclosure, you can get code violations, you can obviously get the probates from the county, and then divorce, and then also evictions. Divorce, I'm not sure where you would get that list. I've never pulled a list for divorce, but I know there is. I've heard of services out there that do offer that list. So if you guys know where you could get that list, comment below and let me know. Maybe that's something I would look into and take a look at. But these are the type of lists. These are usually the main lists. And I'll have a link below for that software where you guys can stack the list and you can get a more highly motivated seller list or the highest motivated seller list when you combine all the lists, and each type of seller is in multiple lists. So you'll have one seller that's in the vacant list, tax default, pre-foreclosure, and also absentee. So let me know in the comments which other providers out there for lists you guys use. There might be some that I've never heard of or never used before. I know there's some that I can't think of at the moment. I just went off the cup. So let me know in the comments below, and that's it.